What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor? What will we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning? Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning.
Shave his belly with a rusty razor, shave his belly with a rusty razor, shave his belly with a rusty razor early in the morning.
Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning.
We'll put him in a longboat till he's sober, put him in a longboat till he's sober, put him in a longboat till he's sober early in the morning.
Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning.
Stick him in the scupper with a hose pipe on him, stick him in the scupper with a hose pipe on him, stick him in the scupper with a hose pipe on him early in the morning.
Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning.
Put him in the bed with the captain's daughter, put him in the bed with the captain's daughter, put him in the bed with the captain's daughter early in the morning.
Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning. That's what we do with the drunken sailor, that's what we do with the drunken sailor, that's what we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning. Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning. Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning.
From Liverpool to Frisco a roving I went, for to stay in that country it was my intent. But girls and strong whiskey like other damn fools, I soon was transported back to Liverpool singing row. Row bullies row, them Liverpool girls, they have got us in tow. I shipped on the Alaska, lying out in the bay, waiting for a fair wind to get underway. The sailors on board, they was all sick and sore. Their whiskey was gone and they can't get no more singing row. Row bullies row, them Liverpool girls, they have got us in tow. Along comes the mate with his jacket of blue, looking for work for the sailors to do. His ship topsail halyards he loudly does roar, calling lay aloft Paddy, you son of a horse, singing row. Row bullies row, them Liverpool girls, they have got us in tow. One night off Cape Horn I will never forget, and it's oh don't I sigh when I think of it yet. She was diving bows under and the sailors all wet. She was doing 12 knots with her main skysail set, singing row. Row bullies row, them Liverpool girls, they have got us in tow. Oh, now we are sailing up onto the line. When I think on it now, sure we had a good time. Them sea spice box all in the yards all around, for to beat that flash packet called the Thatcher McCrown, singing row. Row bullies row, them Liverpool girls. Here's a health to our captain, wherever he may be. Here's a friend to the sailor on land or on sea. But as for our chief mate, the dirty old brute, I hope when he dies straight to hell, he'll skyhoot singing row. Row, bullies, row, them Liverpool girls, they have got us in tow. And now we're arrived in the Bramley-Moor dock, where the fair maids and lassies around us will flock to get up and dancing in row. Row, bullies, row, them Liverpool girls, they have got us in tow. It's of a pretty female, as you shall understand. She had a mind for roving into a foreign land. Attired in sailor's clothing, she boldly did appear, and engaged with the captain to serve him for a year. She engaged with the captain, a cabin boy to be. The wind had been in favour, so they put out to sea. The captain's lady being on board, she seemed in great joy, so glad the captain had engaged the handsome cabin boy. Her cheeks appeared as roses, with her locks all in a curl. The sailors oft times smiled and said he looks just like a girl. But eating captain's biscuit sheer colour did destroy, and the wasted swell of pretty Nell, the handsome cabin boy. As through the Bay of Biscay the gallant ship did plough, one night among the sailors there was an awful row. They bundled from their hammocks, it did their rest destroy, and they laughed about the groaning of the handsome cabin boy. Oh doctor, the cabin boy did cry. The sailor swore by all that's good the cabin boy should die. The doctor ran with all his might and smiling at the fun, for to think a sailor lad should have a daughter or a son. The sailors, when they heard the joke, they all began to stare. The child belongs to none of us, they solemnly did swear. The lady to the captain said, my dear, I wish you joy, for it's either you or I betrayed the handsome cabin boy. So they all took up a bumper and drank success to trade, and likewise to the cabin boy, though neither man nor maid. And if the war should rise again, the sailors to destroy, we will ship some other sailors like the handsome cabin boy.
Talk about your harbour girls around the quay. Away, haul away, me Johnny-O. But they wouldn't go to tea with the girls from Booble Alley. Away, haul away, me Rosie. Away, haul away, me Johnny-O. King Louis was the king of France before the revolution. Away, haul away, me Rosie. Away, haul away, me Johnny-O. But the people cut his head off and it spoilt his constitution. Away, haul away, me Rosie. Away, haul away, me Johnny-O. Well, now we're leaving Liverpool, bound for the Bay of Mexico. Hey, haul away, me Rosie, away, haul away, me Johnny-O. I thought I heard the old man say it's time for us to roll and go away, haul away, me Rosie, away, haul away, me Johnny-O.
To me away, we'll pay Paddy Doyle for his boots. To me away, we'll all drink whiskey and gin. To me away, we'll all shave under the chin.
When I get home, what's wrong is the bell will on. My hand, steal my comb, and that's all right till I get home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is the carson of 1, 2, 3. Please won't you tell me who is she? Albert Mooney says he loves her, all the boys are fighting for her. Knock on the door and ring at the bell. Oh, my fool of I well. Out she comes, as white as snow, rings on her fingers and bells on her toes. Oh, Johnny Morrissey says she'll die, she doesn't get a fella with a roving eye. Tell me, Ma, when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. Hold my hand, steal my comb, that's all
and I'd like to roll to Rio someday before I'm old. Yes, I'd like to roll to Rio someday before I'm old. There's a ship in the tropic rolling along with every stitch drawing the trade blowing strong. The white caps around her breaking in spray. Those girls have got hold of our tow rope today, and it's all away girls, steady and true. Polly and Dolly and Sally and Sue, mothers and sisters, sweethearts and all. It's all away, all away, all away, home. Well, she's logging 16 as she speeds from the south, with a wind in her royals, with a bone in her mouth, with a wake like a mill race. She speeds on her way. Those girls have got hold of our tow rope today, and it's all away girls, steady and true. Polly and Dolly and Sally and Sue, mothers and sisters, sweethearts and all. It's all away, all away, all away, home. Well, of cargoes and charters we've had our full share, of grain and of lumber enough and to spare. The nitrates from Talto, rice for Bombay. Those girls have got hold of our tow rope today, and it's all away girls, steady and true. Polly and Dolly and Sally and Sue, mothers and sisters, sweethearts and all. It's all away, all away, all away, home. Can't you hear the good trade wind blowing aloud? A homeward bound shanty in the sheets and the shrouds. Oh, hear how she whistles in the halyards and stays. Those girls have got hold of our tow rope today, and it's all away girls, steady and true. Polly and Dolly and Sally and Sue, mothers and sisters, sweethearts and all. It's all away, all away, all away, home. Then it's so for the chops of the channel at last, and the cheer that goes up when the tug hawsers past. The mates, that'll do, and 14 months' pay. Those girls will get hold of our tow ropes today, and it's all away girls, steady and true. Polly and Dolly and Sally and Sue, mothers and sisters, sweethearts and all. It's all away, all away, all away, home. Down Broadway, one evening in July, I met a maid who asked me trade, and Sailor John says I, away, Santee, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance polka? Try the chorus. Away, Santee, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance polka? To Tiffany's I took her, and it didn't mind expense. I bought her 2 gold earrings, they cost me 50 cents. Away, Santee, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance polka? She said, you lime juice sailor, now take me home you may. But when we got to a cottage door, these words to me she'd say. Me flashman, he's a Yankee, with his hair cut short behind. He wears long red top sea boots, he sails for the Black Ball Line. Away, Santee, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance the polka? Well, he's...
Oh, where are me boots, me noggin boots? Oh, gone for beer and tobacco. For the soles they are wore out, the toes are kicked about, and the heels are looking out for better weather. And it's all for me grog, me jolly grog. All for me beer and tobacco. For I spent all me tin with the lassies drinking gin. Far across the western ocean I must wander. And where is me shirt, me noggin shirt? It's all gone for beer and tobacco. For the collar is all worn, the sleeves they are all torn. The tailor's looking out for better weather. And it's all for me grog, me jolly grog. All for me beer and tobacco. For I spent all me tin with the lassies drinking gin. Far across the western ocean I must wander. And where is me bed, me noggin bed? Oh, gone for beer and tobacco. For I lent it to a whore, and now the sheets are tore. And the springs are looking out for better weather. And it's all for me grog, me jolly grog. All for me beer and tobacco. For I spent all me tin with the lassies drinking gin. Far across the western ocean I must wander. Now I'm sick in me head, and I haven't been to bed since first to come ashore with me plunder. I've seen centipedes and snakes, and I'm full of pains and aches, and I think I'll beat a path away out yonder. And it's all for me grog, me jolly grog. All for me beer and tobacco. For I spent all me tin with the lassies drinking gin. Far across the western ocean I must wander. And it's all for me grog, or me jolly grog. All for me beer and tobacco. For I spent all me tin with the lassies drinking gin. Far across the western ocean I must wander.
I'm a Liverpool born and bred.
Bring 'em down.
Long in the arm and thick in the head.
Bring 'em down.
Come rock and roll me all the boys.
Bring 'em down.
Get the around your boys.
Bring 'em down,
When in desolation bay,
bring 'em down,
hanging around from day to day.
bring 'em down,
Blow your winds, long may you blow.
bring 'em down,
Rise up, you booger, and let us go.
bring 'em down.
Tommy's gone, that good old man. Way Storm along gone. Tommy's gone, that good old man. Way, Mr. Storm along. They dug his grave with a silver spade. Way Storm along John. His shroud of finest silk was made. Way, Mr. Storm along. An able sailor, bold and true. Way Storm along John. A good old bosun to his crew. Way, Mr. Storm along. I wish it was old Stormy's son. Way Storm along John. I'd build a ship of 1,000 tons. Way, Mr. Storm along. I'd fill her with New England rum. Way Storm along John. My shellbacks, they would all have some. Way, hey, Mr. Storm.
I have 1,000 times a Jew. For we're going away from the holy ground and the girls we all love true. We will sail the salt sea over and we'll return for sure to see again the girls we love and the holy ground once more. Spine's girl, you are the girl I knew adore, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. And now the storm is raging, and we are far from shore. And the good old ship is tossing about, and the rigging is all torn. And the secret of my mind, my love, you're the girl I do adore. And still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. I'm girl, you are the girl I do adore. And still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. And now the storm is over, and we are safe and well. We will go into a public house and visit
Come on, you jolly sailors, both that lives both near and far. I sing a short ditty concerning Larry Marr. He keeps a slop-up boarding house and sells rot-gut to tars. And the scourge in New York City is his big 5-gallon jar. So if you want your night dance, step into Larry Marr's, and he'll serve you with abundance from his big 5-gallon jar. When first I came to New York, I came it on a spree. And here in tell of Larry's place, I went the sights to see. Some drunken shells in the corner, more swilling at the bar. And Larry was providing them from his big 5-gallon jar. So if you want your night dance, step into Larry Marr's, and he'll serve you with abundance from his big 5-gallon jar. One glass of Larry's beverage will make your heart to ache. And when you get keeled over, your cash you'll surely take. And when you wake next morning, you'll be far outside the bar, removed away to Liverpool by Mr. Larry Marr. So if you want your night dance, step into Larry Marr's, and he'll serve you with abundance from his big 5-gallon jar. You may talk about Jamaica, rum and Monongahela too. And of all the poaching whiskey made from Cork to Killaloo. But it's a mere cipher and well below the par, for it can't come up to Larry and his big 5-gallon jar. So if you want your night dance, step into Larry Mars, and he'll serve you with abundance from his big 5-gallon jar. This jar is inexhaustible, for when it is all done, Larry can replenish it with the snapping of a gun. Some campamine, laudanum, alum water and coal tar composes this good beverage of Mr. Larry Marr. So if you want your night dance, step into Larry Marr's, and he'll serve you with abundance from his big 5-gallon jar. I took one glass of Larry's stuff, my heart was up to fight. A cop I took a swing at knocked me higher than a kite. He slipped the darbies on me, and the tomb's not being far, I bid farewell to Larry and his big 5-gallon jar. So if you want your night dance, step into Larry Marr's, and he'll serve you with abundance from his big 5-gallon jar. So if you want your night dance, step into Larry Marr's, and he'll serve you with abundance from his big 5-gallon jar.
Our boots and clothes is all in pawn.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
And it's flaming drafty around Cape Horn.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Oh, you pinks and posies.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
It's round that Cape we all must go.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Around all stiff through the frost and snow.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Oh, you pinks and posies.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Oh, my old mother, she wrote to me.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
My dearest son, come home from sea.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Oh, you pinks and posies.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
It's growl you may, but go you must.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
If you growl too hard, your head they'll buzz.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Oh, you pinks and posies.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Just one more pull and that'll do.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
For we're the boys to kick her through.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down.
Oh, you pinks and posies.
Go down, you blood red roses, go down. That is a flash packet of fame. She hails from New York and the dreadnought's her name. She's bound to the westward where the stormy winds blow. Bound away in the dreadnought to the westward we'll go. Daddy down, 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 daddy down. Now the dreadnought, she lies in the river Mersey, the salt tides do flow. Bound away to the westward in the dreadnought we'll go. Daddy down, 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 daddy down. Now the dreadnoughts are howling down the wild Irish sea, passengers merry with hearts full of glee, as sailors like lions walk the deck to and fro. She's the Liverpool packet, oh Lord, let her go. Daddy down, 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 daddy down. Now the dreadnoughts are sailing the Atlantic so wide, where the high roaring seas roll along her black side, with her sails tautly set for the Red Cross to show. She's the Liverpool packet, oh Lord, let her go. Derry down, 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 derry down. Now a health to the dreadnought and all her brave crew, to Bow Captain Samuels, his officers too. Talk about your flash packets, swallowtail and black bull. The dreadnought's the flyer that outsails them all. Derry down, 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 derry down.
Please tell me, what is this sailboat's name?
It's the sailboat Malarkey.
Tell me now, what is this boat's name?
It's the sailboat Malarkey.
Who is the man that will
Are you
build
finished?
this good boat?
Oh, the sailboat Malarkey.
Richardson built this fine boat.
It's the sailboat Malarkey.
Well, now, me boys, we're bound out to sea.
In the sailboat Malarkey.
Windward Caroline, come down to me.
In the sailboat Malarkey.
She's lovely aloft and she's lovely below.
Is the sailboat Malarkey.
She's best on her back, as you very well know.
Oh, that sailboat Malarkey.
The blackbird sung and the crow did call.
On the sailboat Malarkey.
They said this sail'll be 4:30.
On the sailboat Malarkey.
Away, away in St. George's Town.
In the sailboat Malarkey.
The rats come putting the houses down.
Oh, that sailboat Malarkey.
I'd give the world, boys, and all I know.
In the sailboat Malarkey.
To turn and roll with me, Lucy, oh.
In the sailboat Malarkey.
Pick her up, boys, and lay her down.
In the sailboat Malarkey.
And hang on tight as she bounces around.
In the sailboat Malarkey.
Oh, tell me, what is that sailboat's name?
It's the sailboat Malarkey.
Tell me, what is her name?
It's the sailboat Malarkey.
Come all you bold sailormen who've rounded Cape Horn. Come all you bold whalers who follow the sperm. For the captain has told us, and we hope he says true, that there's plenty of sperm whale on the coast of Peru. It was early one morning, just as the sun rose. The man on the foremast sung out, "There she blows." "Where away," says our captain, "and where does she lie?" "3 points to the eastward, not a mile away." "Then it's lower your boats, me boys, and after him travel. Steer clear of his flukes, or he'll flip you to the devil. And lay on them oars, boys, and make your boats fly. But one thing we dread of, keep clear of his eye." Well, the west boat got down, and we made a good start. Lay on, says the harpooner, for I'm held for long dot. Well, the harpoon it struck and the whale sped away. But whatever he done, boys, he showed us fair play. He raced and he sounded, he twist and he spin. But we fought him alongside and got our lance in, which caused him to vomit and the blood for to spout. And in 10 minutes' time, me boys, he rolled both fins out. We got him turned over and laid alongside, and we over with our blubber hooks to rob him of his hide. We commenced cutting in, boys, and then trying out, and the mate in the main chains, how loud he did shout. Now we're bound for old Tumbes in our manly power, where a man buys a whorehouse for the barrel of flour. We'll spend all our money on them pretty girls ashore, and when it's all gone, me boys, we'll go whaling for more.
I say, old man, your horse is dead.
And we say so, and we hope so.
I say, old man, your horse is dead.
Oh, poor old man.
1 month a rotten life we've led, but now the month is up, old Turk.
And we say so, and we hope so.
Get up, ye swine, and look for work.
Oh, poor old man.
Get up, ye swine, and look for graft.
And we say so, and we hope so.
While we lays on and yanks you off.
Oh, poor old man.
And yanks you.
Rolling down Paradise Street to me way.
Hey, blow the man down.
A big Irish scuffer, oh, it shouts for to mate.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
Says he, you're a black baller, but the cut of your hair.
Hey, blow the man down.
Says he, you're a black baller, but the clothes that you wear.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
You've sailed in some packet that flies the black ball.
Hey, blow the man down.
You've robbed some poor Dutchman of boots, clothes and all.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
We're blowing the farm, we're taking the end to me.
Hey, blow the man down.
Liverpool born, I Liverpool bred.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
We're Liverpool born and we're Liverpool bred.
Hey, blow the man down.
And we're all over bound away, my boys.
Give me some time to blow the man
And
down.
we'll blow the man up, bullies, blow the man down.
Hey, blow the man down.
With a crew of hard cases from Liverpool town.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
100 years on the eastern shore.
Oh, yes, oh.
100 years on the eastern shore.
100 years ago.
When I sailed across the sea.
Oh, yes, oh.
My gal said she'd be true to me.
100 years ago.
I promised her a golden ring.
Oh, yes, oh.
She
promised me that little thing
100 years ago.
Oh, Bully John was the boy for me.
Oh, yes, oh,
Up back on land and the bully at sea.
100 years ago.
It's up aloft this yard must go.
Oh, yes, oh,
For Mr. Mate has told us so.
100 years ago.
I thought I heard a skipper say,
Oh, yes, oh,
just one more pull and then belay.
100 years ago.
And so to the start line off St Anne's, the fleet ready for the off, and soon it would be all down to the skippers and crews, the ships and the liaison of wind and sea. With the last best wishes and Godspeed ringing in their ears, the crews got to work, manning yards and hauling halyards to bend on every inch of sail. The tall ships race in 3 groups. Class A, all the square riggers, the brigs and brigantines, the barques and barkentines, and the big fore and aft rigged ships. Class B includes all the fore and afters between 100 and 160 feet, and the C class covers any fore and after at least 30 foot long. Ahead of them all lay 800 miles of ocean racing. First, the 3-day passage via the Fastnet Rock and into Cork. Next to Belfast, 3-day sailing away up the Irish Sea. Then a non-racing cruise around the corner to Aberdeen, and then the final racing leg, 350 miles to Delfzijl in Holland. For all the tall ships and their crews, the great adventure had begun.